So maybe instead of playing around with the mic boost, because that seemed to add in too much noise, we can try just dropping the volume slightly of the game. So just drop the music down slightly. How's that? So I can still hear it. Let's keep some of the ambient noise there, and let's just take the edge off the sound as well. I like the music. Well, the intro music seems quite nice, but certainly don't want it being louder than my voice. So let's see how that goes. So this is a small test of me talking over the music, and we've still got the sounds as well. Now I wonder if there's a load of combat happening. That's going to be quite loud. I presume there's combat in Terraria. So let's just put down the sound slightly a bit more. Put that down to about 50. There we are. Is that an ambient sound or is that a sound? Let's try sticking down. Right, let's stick sound right down. So was it 50? Oh yeah, it was sound. Okay, so let's have sound at say 40 then. There we are, so we can still hear that. I can always turn it up in my headphones as well. There we are, how about that? And it's probably best to keep the ambient sound down as well. Let's have it all at 35. What are the original settings? Let's have, right, sound was good there. Then ambience. A bit of ambience. There we are. Okay, so I was getting a bit carried away and just tweaking the sound settings, whereas actually what I need to do is I need to figure out if this is appropriate for my voice. See if I'm getting drowned out by Terraria goodness or not. Okay.